Okay, so this worksheet today we're going to be going over slope, rate of change, and domain and range. Okay, so let's look at number 1. First, the instruction says, what's the rate of change for each graph? Whoops. Let's go back. Rate of change, that's another word for what? You should know, think about it. The rate it's changing is another word for slope. Okay, rate and change and slope are the same thing. So let's look at number 1. First, when you read like a book, it's going up, so this is going to be a positive. Okay, now you just need to find 2 points. Here and here. It goes up 1, 2, 3. So rise, over, run, and it runs 1. Let's double check to be sure it does it again. 1, 2, 3, over 1. Yep. So the slope is positive 3 over 1, but we would say that the slope is a 3. Slope is 3. Okay, now we're going to look at number 5. Again, reading it like a book, it's going up, so this is going to be a positive. Find your 2 points. Here's 1, here's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it rises 4, and it runs 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, so here the slope would be a positive 2. Okay, be sure you're reducing down. Because if you look here, 2 over 1, that's a 0.2. All right. So let's go down to number 4. Let's go down to number 4. Number 4. When you read it like a book, it's going down, so it's going to be a negative. Pick your 2 points. Okay? We're going to pick this one and this one. Rise over run. 1, 2 over 1, 2, 3. So this one, your slope is going to be a negative 2 over 3. Okay? So I just want to look at 6 real fast. 6 has just a straight line. So the slope of a straight line is what? And also keep in mind, what's the slope of a straight vertical line? So this is horizontal. What about vertical? Here's a reminder. Okay, that's our supplemental aid. Next page. Okay, we're going to look at some domain and range. Okay, so I just want to do number 9 with you. So the domain is always x, range is always y. So the domain here are just the x coordinates. The range is just the y coordinates. So the domain would be -4, -3, -2, -1, 0. The range is -2, -1, 0, 1, comma 2. Sorry, that's a comma. Okay, so that's how that would go. So now I want to look at number 10 with you. Okay, so domain is how far left and right, okay? Remember that one supplemental aid? Okay, domain left to right, range bottom to top. Okay, so domain, start all the way to the left, you have 9. And it goes all the way over to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we know domain is x. Now, is this touching 9? Yes, it is, so we put the line underneath. Is this touching 5? Yes, it is, so we put the line underneath. Don't forget that. Range, how far down does it go? It goes down here to, oh, sorry, this is -9. It goes down here to -3. And how high does it go? Looks like 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Range is y. Does it touch -3? Yes, it does. So we put the line underneath. Does it touch? Yes, it does. Okay. Remember, if it doesn't touch it, there is no line. So I want to just review a couple things with you. Line underneath means it touches it. No line means it doesn't. Okay? So these are open circles. Think about what that means. But this is not. Okay? So remember that. Also keep in mind, what do arrows mean? They mean something. Okay? Remember, they mean that this line's going to keep going forever and ever, and this line's going to keep going forever and ever. That's very helpful to remember. Okay? All right, you're expected to do the rest of this worksheet on your own. Be sure to submit your answers online When you're finished, go pick up your STAR test and do your STAR test corrections. Remember, the problems that we correct today will be your warm-up quiz tomorrow. So be sure to get that done. Let me know if you need any help. Good luck.